Welcome, Brett here with ClickMill.co. In this course, we're going to be going through everything that has to do with Google Ads. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you about what Google Ads is. Google Ads is a digital advertising platform where you get to pay to show up in certain places around the internet, specifically places that Google controls, and you get to pay to show up in front of people who hopefully, if we do it right, are your audience. Now, this helps with fast business going into your business, into your ministry. It gets you in front of the right people more quickly than what we might call an organic approach. So if you've watched the SEO course, you're going to know your timelines in SEO are 6 months to 18 months to really start bringing in that free traffic from really good articles and really good service pages and really good Google business profile pages. It's going to take you a while to build the credibility, to build a reputation for Google just to start recommending you because you're the best. So what do you do with Google Ads? You just pay to show up. And this is, of course, how Google and every other major digital platform is going to monetize their platform is just through advertising. So you get to pay, you get to show up first. And if you can do it well, you can do it very profitably for your own ministry business or, of course, the clients you're working with. So this is what Google Ads is. It's a software tool that allows you to pay Google for the ability to show up in front of your audience and not have to work for it. So thank you for being here with me in this course. I'm really excited to get into it with you. And in the next video, we're going to go to why is it important to know Google Ads. We'll see you there.